Silver is silver, they say. All silver is created equal. Eagles do not command a higher premium. I disagree completely. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a guy talking about precious metals and collectibles, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, that way you get updated with any new content, and don't forget to blast that like button. Today I am talking about silver, and in particular, which silver is better to buy, and that's going to be the American Silver Eagles. Now, I've had a bunch of videos talking about why you should buy Eagles, why you shouldn't buy Eagles, which silver is best to buy. It really all depends entirely on whatever your game plan is, right? I've said this all along. I will always make videos talking about basically both sides of a particular argument, right? If you are new to stacking, or if you're somebody who's experienced in the world of stacking, you will get a lot of people who are dying by the American Silver Eagles, right? They swear by these. These are the very backbone of their stack. These are what they stack. Only American Silver Eagles. Government-backed coin made by the United States. They want these coins only. Then you're going to have the other individuals who say, I'm not paying those outlandish premiums on these American Silver Eagles. That's just an ounce of silver. What do I need to pay all that extra money for that 1 ounce of silver when I can spend a lot less money on a 1 ounce silver buffalo like this, right? And then there's the people that say, you don't need to get that pure 999 bullion stuff. Stack this stuff here, the junk silver, right? This is like the bargain bin stuff, the historic, gritty, grimy, slimy stuff, right? A lot of people love their American, 90% silver. Nothing wrong with that. Stuff from 1964 and older, right, contains 90% silver, heavily circulated. But because they contain 90% silver, sometimes people will buy these because they feel that these have less premium and are a better bang for the buck. So where do I stand on all of this? Well, before I get into the American Silver Eagles, also there's one other thing to point out too, and that is the high premium collectible coins. A lot of you are familiar with my channel and know that I have a business in which I am a bullion dealer and I am buying and selling this type of stuff all day long. This type of stuff here, the collectibles stuff, this is meant really for speculation. This is stuff for flipping, for profit. This is not meant, at least not in my opinion, for stacking. This stuff here is merely to collect and to sell as a flip. That's why I buy this stuff. That's why a lot of people who are subscribed to my channel and are members of the channel are kind of following my lead in some of this and are actually making money doing so. So when it comes to silver and which is the best kind of silver and which kind of silver is the best bang for your buck, that's going to be, in my opinion, the American Silver Eagle. And why is that? Well, what you see here is a little over $4,500 in cash. This isn't prop money. This isn't a bunch of ones. I've had a couple people tell me that I'm just putting a whole bunch of ones wrapped around a bunch of 20s. No, this is $4,500 in cash, a little over $4,500 in cash, okay? And what happened recently was I was able to facilitate a deal between two parties, and I had no stake in the game other than the fact that I was helping out my coin shop and the other individual. And what happened was this other person was looking to sell their silver. And they were calling around a lot of different coin shops in their area looking to offload 7 tubes of the American Silver Eagles. And they were getting, right now, just so you know, at the time of the recording of this video, we're talking May 12th at 5:19 p.m. Eastern. And they were getting offers of $25 per Silver Eagle, and they called like 4, 5, 6 different places. Now, right now, spot is at 27.5, maybe a little bit lower, maybe around like 27. But they're getting offered $2 under spot for an American Silver Eagle. This right here is a coin that many people within the stacking community have said time and time again actually commands a higher premium when you go to resell it. So let's take into consideration the whole argument of silver is silver. You need to buy the 1 ounce generic stuff and stack that stuff all day long. Forget about this stuff. You're paying too much premium. Okay, so that same individual who was looking to sell their generics were getting offered even less than that. My coin shop offered substantially a higher amount. In fact, they offered $30 for an American Silver Eagle. And so the individual decided to work out a deal with my coin shop. They decided to send the 1 ounce generic stuff and all 7 tubes to my coin shop because they were offered a far better deal. Like I said, they were offered $30 per eagle. If you think about, now that's a business, right? You're selling to a business, you're going to get offered less money than if you were doing a private sale. But when you are selling to a private individual using, let's say, like a Let Go or let's talk about what else is there? Craigslist, Facebook, Instagram, right? Any of those other platforms, you're going to be offered even more. Right? If you look at the online bullion dealers right now, APMEX is selling silver eagles at $42 per eagle. JM is right around there at $41 per eagle. You are getting, let's say, maybe in the mid 30s from a private party because they're not having to pay the bullion dealers. They're not paying the tax, and you're going to be making more money that way. So your best bet always is to kind of go peer-to-peer sales, in my opinion. If you're looking to just unload stuff quickly, then you don't have to haggle. You could just go straight to the coin shop and just make the purchase. That's fine. But this is an example of where the American Silver Eagles, they offer the best bang for the buck. Yes, you're going to be paying more of a premium when you are buying your American Silver Eagle coins. But, you know, when you go to resell them, this is an example of when you are actually going to be getting a substantial amount of that money back when you go to resell them. So when it comes to stacking, my thoughts are this, okay? It depends on what your budget is, and it totally depends on what it is that you are looking to do in the long run. But when it comes to actually stacking for weight, if you're looking to stack for weight, then yes, generic stuff all day long. It's cheap. You can buy it really inexpensively. You can acquire more, right? Because if you're spending, let's say right now, $30 an ounce, and these are costing you $40 an ounce, then, you know, you could buy more of these with the same amount of money than if you were buying the Eagles. But when it comes time to resell, the American Silver Eagles, time and time again, are going to always do better. They're going to do better than they're going to do better than the 90% silver. They're going to do better than this type of stuff. When it comes to the collectibles, these are very lucrative. You can make, and this is just an example, these are the Poseidon coins. You can make a lot of money selling this high premium stuff. I will attest to that. You could do very, very well. But it takes a particular buyer. You need the specific person, the right person, who wants that particular coin in your collection. The American Silver Eagles are a lot more liquid. They have a much bigger buying pool. People that are just looking to buy some basic stuff, you don't really have to worry about eBay and those sellers fees and things like that when you're trying to sell these. The Eagles, you could just unload those a lot faster too. So it's my opinion that the American Silver Eagles, those are the best bang for the buck when it comes to stacking silver. If you have any questions about certain coins and things that you should buy, please consider signing up for the membership. I do get a lot of people emailing me, questioning me all day long. Should I buy this coin? Should I sell these? What should I pay for this type of series, etc.? And I've been more than happy to help these individuals, but there's only so much I can do in a day, right? I've got my job, my family, my business, my YouTube channel. So please consider looking at the memberships. I usually will devote a little bit more time to the people that are paying, but listen, time is money, as is my time. There's only so much of me to go around. But if you have questions and things like that, comments, please drop them down below. I will respond. I respond to all of my comments down below. And it also allows other people within the community to, build a conversation. So please feel free to drop comments down below. Do you agree? Are the American Silver Eagles the best bang for your buck, or do you think otherwise? And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.